Hachiko name itself carries a lot of emotions. That word has something in it.
Hachi, he just brings a smile on my face. I share a beautiful relationship with him. I still remember the day when I got him from the airport. He flew from Bangalore, southern part of India, to Delhi, northern part of India. And he was just 3 months old and he was so confused because he had already changed 2 families. He was trying to understand and explore who was his family. When I introduced him to the pack, all my dogs in the pack, they were very happy to meet him. Everybody wanted to play with him. He slowly started trusting us.
I don't know if an Akita will be good with pugs, but he is amazing. He knows how to respect them. He was the first dog whom I could walk without a leash, and we need not train him for it. I would love to share this major incident of my life, which is my phobia. When we moved to this farm and we have our own pool right now, I could not swim for 2 years, and once it happened that I took my pack for swimming, and my friends were here at the pool, and when Hachi wanted to come inside and swim, he's a very shy boy. He doesn't like anybody touching him apart from Arun and me, but Arun was not there at that time, and one of my very close friend was there who was an amazing swimmer. So I had told her that if Hachi needs help, I'll call you, and she was supposed to come and hold him. So when Hachi was entering water, and I was a bit scared because Arun was not there and I am not a swimmer. So I called her for help, and she used to come to help him, and he used to just move away with a lot of shy in him. He just used to move away. So that moment I really felt so bad that being his human, being his mom, I have to rely on somebody else. Though she is a good friend of mine, I have to rely on somebody else to come and help my kid swim, which he's not liking. He wants to swim, but he's not liking it that somebody else is coming and touching him. So this made me really feel bad about it. This forced me to give a try to swim, to give a try to get away from that phobia which I had. That was the day when I took a decision of getting into water, at least immerse my head. That was my first decision, and today I'm able to swim. Thanks to Hachi. It all happened for Hachi, because of Hachi.
Hachi is a self-trained dog. For us, it was very, very easy to train him. Any commands, any tricks. And he used to just pick up things like this. I have never seen such kind of dog. I have been raised with so many dogs around me, but Hachi is a different dog altogether. I have heard that Akitas are very aggressive and they don't allow anybody into their family, but for him, it's just us and 6 dogs, his family. When Asha and I go out of the house, he has a place which he has chosen for himself, and the place is in such a way that he can see the car coming in, the parking. It's a parking area. So he has chosen that place, he sits there and he waits for us till we come.
Good boy. Very cute.
Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
What do you think, Asha? He likes me or you?
Obviously, he likes me.
Is it?
Yes.
Seriously?
I am the one who found him and he found me, and I was the channel to connect you both.
But I was the one who got him.
No. I am the one.
He's my soulmate.
He's my soul connection.
I think he likes me most.
He loves me most.
But why does he follow me?
He follows you, but without my presence, he goes bonkers.
But you just said whenever we go out, Arun gives a recall command and then he comes back.
Yes, he follows you.
It means that he doesn't listen to you.
He has a soul connection with me. He's like, ah!
She likes me!
You are just possessive about him.